It's both a fucking drone. This is the DM002 do-it-yourself kit. I picked this up off of a Chinese site called Banggood for about 35 bucks with shipping. So let's go ahead and pop this guy open, see what's inside. Got some instructions, got the controller, feels pretty plasticky, nothing special, and then you have all the goodies inside, all these parts that you get to put together. So this is a DIY kit, but it's not, doesn't require soldering, doesn't require any sort of crazy skills to do. Everything's basically plug and play. And if you guys like this video and want to see more, hit that like button, hit that subscribe button, and cue the time lapse.